How to see how much time you spent on Facebook. So go open your Facebook application. Now on this homepage, click on the menu tab on the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. These additional drop-down menu will show, and from here, click on Your Time on Facebook. This will then direct you to these four options: the See Your Time, Manage Your Time, Get More from Your Time, and Control Your Notifications. Now, if you want to see how much time you spent on Facebook, just click on the See Time, the first option, and you can now see your daily time spent on Facebook. You can also see here your average time spent this week and last week. If you swipe left, orange graphs will show you your time spent on Facebook during the day, and the blue graph represents your nighttime Facebook usage. Now swipe left again and you will now see your total visits per day. So that is how to see how much time you spent on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.